How to get to $1,000 per month, as soon as possible with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically advertising where a company pays a blogger or a content creator to market their products and services. It is the most easy and accessible way of passive income, as most polls have proven to show that in 6 months after website creation people begin to earn. This has become a common income idea for people, especially during this pandemic period, when most people were laid off from their workplaces. You might be asking how I can be sure that I'll earn that much once I create the website. Well, worry not, I'm going to take you step by step to ensure you have the right facts. Number 1. Niche research. Niche can be defined as channeling all marketing efforts towards one well-defined segment of the population. It's like finding that specialized area of the market that favors your particular product or service. Now, one thing with the niche is that it doesn't exist literally, but rather it is created by smart marketing techniques. As a result, you understand the niche is critical because it influences how much money you make. When starting a business, even this website content creation, you set your mind towards looking at the balance between profitability and competition level. They need to go big usually makes people employ complicated processes, this ending up with zero results. Here is an easy way to do this niche research. We've already established the fact that the niche is created, but instead of doing a ton of guesswork, go through website marketplaces for inspiration. A website marketplace is just like any other market, but this one is just e-commerce. The marketplace doesn't own any inventory, but rather presents other people's ideas to a user still asked to facilitate the transaction. So when you visit this place, you can buy and sell a content website. Registration most of the time is free, and you are allowed instant access to seeing the available websites, various niches, and how much money they make. If you decide to use your interface, you need to follow certain parameters that suit your preference. You are looking for sites that have reviews. Remember, that can still be using them as your style. Take a look at how much they make and what they do, then have a personal meeting with yourself to confirm if you can do it, or even can you do better. In light of a positive mindset, settle on doing better than that side and create more content. Number 2. Keyword research. This is the second step after niche research. A keyword research is a process where you research popular search terms people type into search engines like Google. The purpose of keyword research is to gain deeper insight into your audience. It rules out the option of having to guess what people are into, or what company they engage with more. The high search volume keywords is the word you cross paths with, and it means those keywords people use mostly. They are most definitely more lucrative and competitive if a certain keyword tops the Google search. When you click on it, you'll see a lot of purchases and reviews, hence a great traffic to your website. While you're still not getting it, allow me to use this example. Every time we type a keyword in Google, there's always a section of people also ask, which has questions that continue to drop down to more you click on the answers. Aside from that, there is the Google Auto Suggest. When you type a certain topic on the search bar, point your cursor at the beginning of the topic. Google will automatically list out a bunch of commonly searched keywords with a new word added to the front. You can also point the cursor at the end to get more and more keywords. Another option is at the bottom of your listed search outcomes, where Google has the option of related searches. It provides you with more and more content. So if you are on a budget, Google offers you a free solution and all you need is time to go through it all. However, there are also other options that are not for free, such as the Arabs tools, that are more automated. Just be sure to set some filters so as to get content that gets decent traffic and has no backlinks. Number 3. Content. Good content, especially one that search engines loves, sets the foundation for search engine optimization. It may be tricky to understand exactly what Google likes, so let's go through some of the things you need to know. First, research is key. So type your keywords and take a look at the top listed websites. The goal is to do better than what the top websites have done. The title is very important. It's what captures the audience, and so were the subheadings below it. Next is the article length. You don't want to have a lengthy article that bores your audience to read, nor do you want a short article that your audience can seem to deduce what they are looking for. Ensure you take a look at least at 3 top websites and come up with better conclusions from them. As usual, you don't have to rely on Google only, as there are also automated tools such as Surfer. So get right into it and write content, most importantly information content and not review content. If you're not good in writing, you can always look for experienced people in your niche and get them to help you out. Number 4. Launch your site. Once you have enough written content, which could be like 25 articles, you can watch your website and upload the content. You go to WordPress, which is the most widely used content management system. If you are on a budget, the themeforest.com has themes that are suitable for creating your site design. If you intend to be more creative and love to customize things as per your taste, GeneratePress is your to-go-to. It allows you to create anything, and note that it is not free. As you upload your content, be sure to also interlink relevant articles, as it gives a positive signal to Google. This is known as the topical relevance, and the bonus are just a must to bag. Number 5. Don't give up. Just like the beginning of any business, the results aren't always instant. At times you will need to repeat and improvise just to get it the right way. Hence the important thing is not to give up. Be consistent, remain focused, and it will all pay eventually. When your website is new, it enters the Google Sandbox phase, which is like probation. In this phase you don't get traffic or reviews until you have proven yourself. Hence this is where link building comes in handy. Number 6. Build backlinks. A backlink is a hyperlink from one web page to another website. Backlinks help speed up your probation and a positive signal to Google that your website is legit contact. Number 7. Monetize. After going through the stages, it's now time to monetize. The best way to go is to write product reviews and then put affiliate links where people can buy the products. So before applying to an affiliate program, ensure your website meets that term of service and has a decent bit of traffic. Another way to monetize is to place display ads on your site. All you need to do is to apply to an ad network of your choice. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this video, hit the like button, also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.